In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off Suggest Text Corrections option. You need to begin by opening keyboard settings. To do that, go into Devices Settings, scroll all the way down and tap on General Management. This way you can access Samsung keyboard settings. And finally, tap on Predictive Text. After you do that, click on the switches next to your languages. And when they turn blue, go back. As you can see, after doing that, all of those features showed up. What you need to do is tap on AutoSpell check and tap on the switcher next to your language. This way, all of your misspelled words will be underlined in red and you will see suggested corrections. If you ever want to disable it, use the same now blue switcher until it's grey. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!